and welcome to the writing choice board. The first thing you want to do is click at the top and press present. This will make everything bigger and easier for you to navigate. Now you can click on any choice in the box. I'm going to choose What Am I? The directions are always in a pink box and tells you what to do. If I decide not to do this one, I can always click on the B to go back to the choice board. Now I'm going to try this or that. So to click on the group you want to write about your choice and why you picked it. When I choose my activity and decide I want to do this one, I can press escape on my computer, on my keyboard. When I want to type, click in the box and erase what's in there. When you're all done with this activity, or if you need any more help, always remember you can click this question mark for any other questions you have. Okay, have fun!